Nestled in the verdant hills of Tamil Nadu lies a gem, Kodaikanal. Known as the Princess of Hill Stations, it offers a breath of fresh air, far from the bustle of city life. As the morning mist rises, the tranquil waters of Kodai Lake shimmer in the golden light. Boaters drift gently, lost in nature's silent symphony. Towering pines sway to the wind's rhythm, while Koka's Walk offers a breathtaking view, a panorama of clouds dancing over the cliffs. The charm continues in the vibrant street markets, where flowers bloom in every shade, and fresh eucalyptus fills the air. Kodaikanal isn't just a destination, it's an experience. A poetic retreat where time slows down, and every frame is a postcard.